Hey beautiful people! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're talking about something super important for your mental health: journaling. Let's dive into how this simple habit can make a big difference in your life. What is journaling? Journaling is writing down your thoughts, feelings, and experiences. It's like having a conversation with yourself on paper. You can write about anything: your day, your dreams, your worries, or just random thoughts. Reduces stress. One of the biggest benefits of journaling is that it reduces stress. When you write about what's bothering you, it helps you clear your mind. It's like a mental detox. You feel lighter and more relaxed after letting it all out on paper. Boosts mood. Journaling can also boost your mood. When you write about the positive things in your life, you start to see more of the good stuff around you. It's like training your brain to focus on happiness. Plus, revisiting happy memories can make you feel better instantly. Improves self-awareness. Writing regularly helps you understand yourself better. You can see patterns in your thoughts and behaviors. This self-awareness is key to personal growth. You learn what makes you happy, what triggers your stress, and how to handle your emotions better. Enhances problem-solving skills. Journaling is also great for problem-solving. When you write about a problem, it helps you think more clearly. You can explore different solutions and come up with a plan. Sometimes, just writing it down can make the problem seem smaller and more manageable. Tracking your progress. Keeping a journal lets you track your progress over time. You can look back and see how far you've come. This is especially helpful if you're working on personal goals or trying to build new habits. It's motivating to see your growth. Better sleep. Did you know journaling can help you sleep better? Writing before bed can clear your mind and help you relax. You can jot down your worries so they don't keep you up at night. A peaceful mind leads to better sleep. How to start journaling. So, how do you start journaling? It's simple. Get a notebook or use a digital app. Set aside a few minutes each day to write. There's no right or wrong way to do it. Just be honest with yourself. Write about whatever comes to mind. Tips for successful journaling. Here are some tips for successful journaling. 1. Be consistent. Write regularly, even if it's just a few lines. 2. Don't worry about grammar or spelling. This is for you, not for anyone else. 3. Be honest. Write what you truly feel. 4. Use prompts if you're stuck. Questions like, "What am I grateful for today?" can help. That's it for today, folks. Journaling is a powerful tool for improving your mental health. It's easy, it's free, and it's something you can start right now. Give it a try and see how it works for you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and take care.